जब रावण जैसे दुश्मन इंसानों को सताएंगे, उन्हें मिटाने धरती पे श्री राम जन्म ले आएंगे।
Now what do you mean by das Hera? Das means 10, and the person with 10 heads, who was he? Ravana. And Ravana was killed. Thus Hera means when his 10 heads were killed. When Ravana was killed, Dasara was celebrated. Okay. So there is one story which is once upon a time, long ago, thousands and thousands of years ago, there was a demon named Mahisasur. There was a demon named Mahisasur, and you know what? He prayed so much to God that Lord Brahma, he was very impressed with him. And he said, "What wish do you want?" Mahisasur said, "I don't want to be killed by any god." Lord Brahma said, "Okay." He had to bless because he did so much praying. He blessed Mahisasur and he said, "You will not be killed by any god." Now, Mahisasur was a demon god, right? So he was good or bad? Evil. He used to do all evil acts. Because Lord Brahma had given him the Vardhan. What to do? Lord Brahma, Lord Shiva, Lord Vishnu, all three gods came together and started thinking, what shall we do? What shall we do? So then they created goddess Durga. They created goddess Durga and gave her so many weapons. Now goddess Durga was, weapons means all the tools, Trishul, some different tools to hit, to kill. So now goddess Durga was a lady or a man? Lady. And what Mahisasur was blessed that he would not be killed through any god. But goddess Durga was a lady. Can she kill him?
Yes.
But you know what? Goddess Durga, she started fighting with Mahisasur. So the first day, she was in the, goddess, they had the power of making themselves any goddess. So first, she became Ma Shailaputri. Navratri is celebrated for 9 days. So first day, she became Ma Shailaputri and she started fighting with Mahisasur. Nothing happened to Mahisasur. Another part of the story. This is a little long story. Okay. King Dashrath told Lord Ram that, Lord Ram, I'm sorry, but I have to listen to the queen and send you to the jungle for 14 years. We will not stay in the palace. Now, Lord Ram, he was very sincere child like you all. He used to obey his parents, respect whatever parents said. So Lord Ram said, it's okay, father. I'm okay to go to the jungle for 14 years. Then I will come back, right? So now Lord Ram is ready to go. Now King Dashrath was lying on the bed. So there was Lord Lakshman also. What did he say? That father, if Lord Ram is doing, I also want to accompany him. I will also stay in the jungle with them. Can you please allow me also to go? Then Mata Sita said that I am Lord Ram's wife. Okay, what will I do if my husband is not here? I will also go along with my husband. now King Dashrath says, okay, I give you the permission. You three can go to the jungle. So now they all are in the jungle, staying nicely. Ravan, and that's how Ravana was killed on the 10th day, today of Dasera. And then that is why we celebrate Dasera to kill 10 heads of Ravan. Means all these 10 things are the 10 bad habits. Do you want all these 10 habits to be with you?
No.
Or you want to be a very good child? Only the good child, right? You want to remove all these 10 habits? So we are going to become Lord Ram, and then using the bow and arrow, we are going to remove all the 10 habits, bad habits. I am going to give you chance.
जब जब रावण जैसे दुश्मन इंसानों को सताएंगे, उन्हें मिटाने धरती पे श्री राम जन्म ले आएंगे। जब जब रावण जैसे दुश्मन इंसानों को सताएंगे,